Oh yeah, YouTube. George here, and we're back. We've been doing a bit of tidying. Now I'm not going to show you the other side of the shed because the place is still a wreck. So where we are for now, it's everything is kind of just thrown back in here. So the Stalker 9 is up here with the power supply and the S meter. There was a couple of lads on chatting there. They must have left. I know one of them's in Mullingar, about 40 minutes from here. They were chatting away there for a good while. So, yeah. So we have the 2 meter setback in action up here. Hadn't been using that for a long time, and the speaker for that is in there. So there's my remote power supply. Oh, my meter's not working. I must have pulled one of the wires over it. I'll have to fix that. So big Bertha there. All switch cleaners and stuff in here, and me little bits and pieces, and a little torch for zoom out there. Come on now. Yeah. And that speaker in there is on this lead here, so you can use that when I have a radio here on the bench. So we have old Vanny's dummy load counter monitor radio, so that just sits there, and it's turned on the whole time and squelched, and have the RF gain back down a bit, so as soon as I transmit on the radio here I can hear it. So if the signal generator sorted out there, and we have the scope and the iron, let's turn that on just for the crack. Power supply for that iron, I relocated it in there. So I have my little tool rack. I had a second one of these magnetic racks, so I put it here. No doubt I'll find something to put in it at some stage. All my storage trays here, so over a period of time we'll be filling all that up. And as I said in the last video, we have one more to get the next time Aldi or Lidl has them. So all my test leads, all the storage, hi-fi stuff. So I'm quite pleased with everything now. Like I have absolutely acres of room now. Just go right down the end here. I'll just give you a bird's eye view, well, you know, of how long it is. It's almost 16 feet. And we have loads of stuff to sort out now. All that stuff that's up there in that middle shelf, that's all has to be gone through, and those 2 baskets there have to be gone through, and we'll label everything up as to what's in it, and we'll know where everything has to go. So still have a few bits to set back up, just the microphone for when I'm doing the casts, the live streams. And I might move this here. I might move it up a bit. Let's turn them on. What I might do is I might weld 2 brackets onto this frame here, and I'll bolt them rather than have them swinging on the chain. Might be a better job. And yeah, so there we go. I have a roll of green LEDs there, so I might put some of them on the underside of these shelves here, just for the crack, and I'll put some fronts on them to hide it all. So I've all painted except this. To go and get some red paint tomorrow, and I'll paint all that. The compressed air, I relocated all that, so that now lives in there. It's mounted on, and I have a split. What the hell is that? I have a split there in the airline, so we're going to run another airline up underneath, another 10mm airline, and we'll have a PCL, female PCL fitting up here, so I can have it at either end of the shed depending on what I'm doing. And yeah, so still loads of stuff to sort out. Looks worse than it is now at the minute, but yeah, I'm happy with it anyway. Loads of workspace, which was something that was sadly lacking the way it was. So that's where we are for now, and we'll catch you in the next one. So all the best, stay safe, and all of that good stuff, and we'll get you next time.